What is the best way to remove pen marks from leather upholstery?
This is a full-size bull hide upholstery. Given the chance, it might cover 2 of your car seats.
First, rubbing alcohol. Just dab it a little bit, tap. Don't smudge it too much. And wipe it off. Don't scrub. Number 2, hairspray. Made it a little sticky. This time I'm going to let it sit a little bit. Wow. It really removed it, but also left a little residue. Number 3 is vinegar. Didn't do anything. I don't know why they even recommend this. Number 4, mineral spirits. Wipe it off. Nothing. Number 5, let it sit for a second. Doesn't remove it at all. You got the best result from the least expected contestant, generic hairspray. We sprayed it on, let it sit for about 30 seconds and wiped it off with a clean microfiber rag. It left a little sticky residue, then we wiped it off with a little bit of warm water and conditioned it with a very generic leather conditioner. Most of the pen mark is gone and leather feels pretty good after that. Just a warning, a lot of alcohol mixtures in the hairspray, not every finish will like it. Try it in a discreet area before you apply in the middle of your couch.